Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove audio background noise in DaVinci Resolve 20. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I have a sample voice recording here and I'm going to switch over to the Fairlight page. Before making any adjustments, let's listen to the audio.
Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove.
This is a voice recording that contains some unwanted background noise, such as fan noise, which we want to reduce. The first step is to locate the dynamics section for your audio track and open it by double-clicking on it. Make sure you're working on the correct audio channel and confirm that dynamics is enabled. Also, turn on the expander option within the dynamics panel. Once that's enabled, start by increasing the range control. Move it toward the maximum value. After that, adjust the ratio control, which is located to the right of the range setting. A good starting point is around the middle position or slightly above. Next, move to the threshold control. The ideal threshold value will vary depending on your recording and the amount of background noise present. Start around the middle and fine-tune it while listening to the audio. Now, preview the recording and observe how the settings affect the sound.
Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove.
While monitoring the audio,
noise.
pay attention to the meter and make sure most of the signal activity stays within the desired range. Continue making small adjustments to the threshold until you find a balance where the background noise is reduced without negatively affecting the voice. To compare the results, turn dynamics off and listen to the recording.
Hey guys, in this video I will show you.
Then enable dynamics again and listen once more.
In this video I will show you how to remove background noise.
You should notice that the background noise is less noticeable while the voice remains clear. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove audio background noise in DaVinci Resolve 20. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.